This newly constructed bi-level home at 953 Whitetail Court is full of surprises. The split-level home is just a short drive from downtown Ionia, parks, and schools, making it a great spot for everything you need. This home is designed for modern living, featuring energy efficiency and a 10-year structural warranty for peace of mind. Step inside to discover a spacious designer kitchen with granite countertops, including a breakfast bar and stylish backsplash. The main floor also includes a convenient laundry room, a powder bathroom, and vaulted ceilings in both the great room and the kitchen, creating a bright, open atmosphere. The lower level offers additional storage space, including storage under the stairs, while the attached 2-car garage has an additional 4 feet of space for even more storage. Step outside to enjoy the beautiful deck, perfect for outdoor living, and a covered front entry that adds curb appeal and protection from the elements. 953 Whitetail Court is a home you don't come across every day. Want to see it in person? Contact me today to schedule a tour.